Hello kids. Today we are going to see 4th class EVS first lesson changing family structure reading part. Let's start. Generally Indian families comprise of parents, grandparents and children. Some families called joint families comprise of uncles, aunts and their children besides parents, grandparents and children. But nowadays the structure of such families is changing. Imagine the families of your grandparents during their childhood. How are the present day families? Do all the members in a family always stay together? Do new members join the family? Think, when and why do such changes take place in a family? A new arrival into family. Vandana's mother gave birth to a baby girl. Vandana is very happy. Observe the picture and say, who were the members of Vandana's family before the arrival of her baby sister? Well, a newborn baby has come to Vandana's home. What changes might have occurred in their home after baby's birth? Many changes occur when new members join the family. Discuss with your friends and write in your notebook the changes that might have taken place. Discuss in groups. How will Vandana spend her free time now? What kind of works her mother was doing earlier? What new works will her mother do now? How do the works of the family members change with the arrival of a newborn? Some changes do occur in the family with the birth of babies. New duties such as giving bath to the baby, cooking special food, feeding the baby, taking care of the baby, carrying the baby often, comforting a carrying baby, etc. have to be done. All the members have to help the mother in doing these things. These activities would not be there before baby's births. Marriage. Changes in the family. Have you ever attended a marriage? Say what have you seen there? Rani's brother Srinivas is getting married. The house is decorated beautifully. Relatives have arrived. Everyone is happy and busy in the house. After the marriage, the bride came to Rani's house. A new member has joined Rani's family. Where did Rani's sister-in-law live before marriage? Where will she reside after marriage? Discuss the following questions with your friends in groups. Write the answers in your notebook. Discuss in groups what changes might have occurred in the bride's family because of the marriage. What changes might have occurred in Rani's family after the marriage? What changes might occur in Rani's family in future? If grandparents live with the family, it makes everyone happy. Why? In a family, when someone gets married or a baby is born, members will increase. Similarly, when someone has to leave the family for a job or for any other reason like death, members will decrease. This means changes occur in a family when a member either joins or leaves. Think, what other reasons bring changes in families? Moving to new place. Aditya's family lives in Medak. Aditya's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he has transferred to Nizamabad on promotion. Aditya lives in a joint family where his sister, parents, grandparents, uncle, Chinnana, aunt, Chinnamma and cousins live together. Think, when Aditya's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the family members would have felt? Aditya's family vacated the house and left for the new town. Similarly, Aditya's friend Ramesh's father also got promoted and transferred to Siddipet. He didn't take his family to new town, but he shuttled. Discuss with your friends and write down what changes might come in the families of the employees. Aditya's family, where did they reside before promotion? Where is the family after promotion? What changes might have occurred in Aditya's family after shifting? Will there be any changes in the work done by Aditya? Ramesh's family, where did they reside before promotion? Where is the family after promotion? What changes might have occurred in Ramesh's family after his father started shuttling? Will there be changes in the work of Ramesh also? Have any new students joined your class or school? Talk to them to know whether any changes have taken place in their families and the kind of work they did. Share the information with your friends. Where did he or she came from? How was his or her old school? What new things did he or she observe here? Did he or she like the present atmosphere? Why? Families do not remain the same always. Changes occur in the families due to various reasons. You have seen that changes occur in the families due to marriages, births, employment at new places, transfer to other towns, and so on. Changes occur not only because of these reasons but also due to business, studies, migration for employment, occurrence of earthquakes, floods, death of an important member, etc. Besides these, when we compare the present time with the past, we find that many changes have taken place in the families. How do we know about these details? Do this. Form groups of 3. Each group should visit any 3 old persons nearby or your grandparents and talk to them. Collect and note down the following details in the table. Information to be collected. Details. How many years has your family been staying here? Where did your family live before? Why did you come here? What changes have occurred in your family after coming here? How many members were there in your family 10 years ago? How many members are there in your family now? What were the reasons for the change in the number of members? How do you feel about the changes in the family? Okay, next column is details. Families yesterday, today, tomorrow. Compared to the past, there are many changes in the families. Is there any change in your family too? Most of the families in the past were joint families. In joint families, different members like grandparents, aunts, uncles, their children, everyone lived together as a single family. All the members helped each other and did various kinds of works together. They used to share all joys and sorrows. Nowadays, the number of members in a family is decreasing. At present, only parents and their children live in most of the families. These are called nuclear families. One of the reasons for nuclear families is newly married couple start living separately after their marriage. They are not taking proper care of grandparents and other old members. Some people are sending their old parents to old age homes and children to hostels in the name of education. Discuss these changes with the friends in your group and write down the conclusions. You know that all the family members live together in joint families. Now, let us know what other advantages joint families had. The old people used to be with the children and helped them in many ways. Children were told stories and new things by the old people. Meals were taken together. Everyone helped each other and lived together. Families have changed as time passed. Joint families have separated into nuclear families due to the members leaving villages for employment, division of properties, insufficient housing, etc. How was your family in the past? How is it now? What type of family is yours, a joint family or a nuclear family? Which one do you feel is better? Why? Family life, use of home appliances. With changes in the families, the method of work also changed. Earlier, people did all the work by themselves, but now some families employ people for household work. Similarly, the use of electrical appliances in the household work has increased to reduce the labor. Observe the pictures given below. Do you know what these are? Okay, observe the pictures and see the appliances in the picture. Why are these appliances used? How did the people do different kinds of work when these appliances were not there? Is the use of these appliances advantageous? Why? Why not? Why is the usage of electricity increasing day by day? Home appliances have changed the method of working. People depend on the appliances for household works. They use appliances for washing clothes, grinding flour, cleaning the house, cooking, etc. We are depending on others for few more works. Rather, everyone must do their own works. We should work manually as far as possible. Usage of home appliances should be reduced. It consumes more electricity when we use washing machines, mixie, grinders, etc. If we work manually, we not only reduce the consumption of electricity but also remain active and healthy. In addition to this, one also realizes the value of work. Keywords: members of family, changes in the family, promotion, joint families, nuclear families, home appliances. Okay, this is the reading part of this lesson. In next video, we will see the explanation part. Bye kids. Have a nice day.